Hi, so this is a voiceover of my latest patch for Blender. So this is about the node editor. When you copy a node, we will see it now. We copy a node, we paste, and it is overlapping, right? So what the right-click select proposal is about is that when you paste, the node goes to the mouse position instead of stay in the exact same place at the copied node, so that it's more intuitive and practical. So here I'm starting looking how the operator is called. So I notice that I can go to Blender and see how the operator is called, thanks to the Python tooltips. So here we can see it's node, clipboard, paste. Here I have a little mistake. Okay, here it is. So I make a quick search. And here we go. Here is the code that executes when you run that operator. So now I'm figuring out what it's doing, what should I do, in what order. I should offset the nodes to the mouse position. Okay, this part is cool because there was already like a kind of first implementation for placing the pasted nodes on mouse cursor, but for some reason it wasn't finished. So that part of code calculates the barycenter of all the nodes you have pasted. So basically we have something to start with, which is cool. But that code, it's not used anywhere, so you can remove that code and it will do anything. So with this patch I'm going to give some use to it. Okay, here I'm just looking to the fact that this function is an execute and I need an invoke to retrieve the event, because the event will give me access to the mouse position, and it was I want, so that I can offset the nodes. Here I forgot to add a consent, but I will add it later. Okay, so I change the callback to match the name, and I go to the new invoke function, and right after the body center code I will go to calculate the offset between this body center and the mouse position from the event. So to calculate the offset, I just need to subtract both the mouse position and the body center. So yeah, I just initialize an offset and now subtract. Okay, this function the first argument is where it stores the subtraction between the second and the third one. So event enable this is wrong because the mouse position is over the region of the editor, so it has different space coordinates. So later I have to use a function to convert to the view of the node editor. So here is where we will apply the offset to the node position location in the X and in the Y. Okay, here I open Git Kraken because I forgot to create a a local branch for this patch. So I will just stage the changes, and then I will create a stash from it. So that I can save that modifications. Later I can go to master, do a pull request, then create a branch, a new local branch from master for this particular patch, and then I can apply the stash. So all the modifications I've made are applied in the correct place without affecting other branch or other patches that I have there. Okay, so I applied the stash and I have my own branch with that modification. I check that all is in place. Okay, so I come to my branch, and now I decided to do a kick test. So here I just make update and then a make. So I create a build to test. So this will take a while, so I will cut here and see you later. Okay, so it's just finished and I'm going to test it. And here is where I noticed that I forgot to convert the coordinates of the mouse to the view of the node editor, as I see that it offset in a strange way. Now I need to copy this function. That is the one that will convert the coordinates to the view. So I just clean up some things, change stuff. Okay, so we are passing the mouse position from the event, and it will change the values of cursor. Okay, this line we don't need it anymore. And the subtract is the same. So close Blender and build again. So time to test. We go to the Stadia editor, copy, paste, and it works. It works perfectly. Let's try with multiple nodes. And works perfectly. Okay, so now again in Git Kraken. Smiley face, state changes, commit. Now I open the Git bash. With this I will output the differential of these branch with master. So I have the patch to submit. Okay, here's the patch. No, I won't open it with the Git patch. Let's preview it in Visual Studio Code. So, all it's looking fine. And now let's go to the browser and let's open developer.blender.org. And we go to submit code, and here we just drag and drop the patch. All is fine. Okay, continue. Write a beautiful name like node editor, paste node on mouse position. Based on this right click select proposal, just paste the link. And well, I will speed up this process. So yeah, now it's ready to submit. And great, the patch is live. So now I just need to wait until it is reviewed, and if it's accepted, it will go to master. If not, probably I will have some request of modifications in the code. But yeah, it is almost there. So enjoy it.